In this video, I will detail how to set up the first aspect of scheduling, available grades. Right now, I'm in Basic System Setup, also called System Setup PARMS, which I got to by double-clicking on my school's logo, and now I'm going to click Available Grades. The first thing you'll notice is that some of these grades are listed in yellow and are undeletable. These grades are protected, and Achieve uses them for queries. If you do not want to use them, just uncheck the Available at this school checkbox right here, and it will not be an option at your school. The system will ignore them. You may then enter whatever custom grade names you like down here at the bottom. You might have a grade called Young 4s or Maple or 12 Plus. Just enter them exactly as your school defines them, and that's how they'll appear in all grade drop-downs throughout the system. Whether you are dealing with custom or traditional grade names, these other options stay the same. The grade number is used to calculate the student's year of graduation. It will usually be equivalent to the grade itself. See, second is grade number 2. There is no zero grade, and the grade before first grade, or its equivalent at your school, should start with a negative number. In this example, kindergarten is -1, pre-K 3 is -2, etc. Next, choose the grade this grade promotes into. First goes to second grade, second goes to third, etc. It is common for students in preschool grades not to promote automatically into another grade. If this is the case at your school, check the Pre checkbox right here. This will tell the system that an administrator will mark the grade into which each individual child promotes. This concept is covered in detail in the Global Promote video. Next, choose the grade category this level falls into and the term type for this class. The sort order will just change the order in which the grades are displayed, and in almost all cases this is done in ascending order. Choosing to allow Gradebook or Parent Portal, these options, will simply enable those features for this particular grade. Next we come to a very important checkbox. Enabling multiple periods will give this grade access to all the scheduling features which go along with multiple period grades. So make sure this is checked for any grade in which the child or children rotate outside their sections. Achieve Support can help you decide whether multi-period scheduling is the appropriate choice for a given grade. A good rule to remember is that if there is considerable movement of children outside of their section or grade during class time, meaning that different sections mix together, then multi-period scheduling is typically a prudent choice. Next, decide whether you'd like to take attendance every period or only once at the beginning of the day, and decide whether this grade will have a formatted report card. Then make sure you scroll to the right here. There are a few options that might be off your screen depending on how large it is, and choose a report card grading scale for each grade. If you have not yet set these up, please see my report card tutorial. Finally, we come to sections. You can click the button next to any multi-period grade. They all take you to the same screen. Here we go. Each multi-period grade must have at least one section associated with it. Click Add New Section here at the top to create and correlate a grade with a section. To edit sections right here, you must actually click the Edit button next to each line. This first screen right here is read only. Once you are done adding and editing sections, you are ready to move on to the next part of the scheduling process.